Hi, today we're going to be solving compound inequalities. So these are a little harder than our basic inequalities, but I think we can do it. Let's get started. So a compound inequality basically is when we have an expression in the middle that has an inequality on both sides. So it has an inequality on both the left side and the right side. So at first this may be intimidating and you might be confused how to solve it. But it's actually not that hard. Let's see how to do it. Okay? So, basically what you do for one side, you do to the other, right? Now you just have three sides. So whatever you do to one side, you do to the other two sides as well. So you have 3x plus 10. So 3 is less than 3x plus 10, which is less than 10. Okay, so first I want to isolate the variable, so I'm going to subtract 10 from all sides. So I get 3 minus 10 is less than 3x, which is less than 10 minus 10. So then I get negative 7 is less than 3x, which is less than 0. Now I want to isolate the variable again, so I'm going to divide by 3 on all three sides. I get negative 7 is less than x, which is less than 0. So this is the solution. So basically, if you're looking on a number line, you would get the negative 7/3, let's see, this is negative 7/3, and this is 0. You would get that this little part right in between these two numbers is the solution set. Okay? Let's try one more example. So we have that 35 is less than 10x plus 3, which is less than or equal to 41. Well, let's do the same thing as we did before. So I want to isolate the variable, so I want to get rid of this 3, so I'm going to subtract 3 from all three sides. So 35 minus 3 is less than 10x plus 3 minus 3, which is less than or equal to 41 minus 3. So I get 32 is less than 10x, which is less than or equal to 38. Now I want to isolate the variable again, so I'm going to divide by 10 on all three sides. I get 32 divided by 10 is less than 10x which is, not 10x, just x, which is less than or equal to 38 divided by 10. And if we want to simplify, then we get 3.2 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 3.8. So basically, if we're looking on a number line, and this is 3.2, and this is 3.8, the solution set is right in between these two numbers, including 3.8. Okay, so I hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon.